It's the first built LT2. Taking it apart, no problem.
Thankfully, we know it came out of that hole. We know this.
I have some very bad news. The valve covers aren't gonna fit. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog and thank you for tuning in. Today we're going to put the C8 engine into the hole and see how far we get. We have a surprise guest coming a little bit later. We're gonna be taking the Buick drag racing today, and we really tried to get her buttoned up and dialed in. It just didn't happen, so we have something else in store as a surprise next week. I like your shirt. We're still gonna try and make them work. We're just gonna run these for now. As you guys can see, there's a bit of crankcase ventilation. The other valve cover has a mount for this assembly for the dipstick right here. We'll try to make this work, just not today. I think we got a lot of work here, boys. We're gonna start hacking away at this. We're gonna swap these out for now, and then just keep plugging away, and then we'll get her up in the hole.
In the hole. What's up?
We're just working on a giant jigsaw puzzle over here.
You guys are doing great.
Took us a while to run some of the vacuum lines. Now we're trying to figure out coolant. Fun stuff.
It is a bit of an octopus. Don't cut the red wire.
I think it's just coolant and then fuel. I think all we have left before we put the engine up in the hole.
I think fuel's looking like you guys did it.
You're gonna have to f***ing turn it.
Good? Huh? That was it? Looks good from my house.
So coolant lines, we got the belts on, everything's hooked up.
We need to stand back and stare.
I think you should unbolt this cover and put Racing Flames on that.
You'll never see it.
But we'll know it's there.
Draw penis.
She sells the car. Somebody else buys it. Pulls the motor up.
Why is there a dick on my motor?
Never been dropped, no work has been done. We are ready to put this behemoth of an engine into the car. Or should I say the car onto the engine.
Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot. Well, hope we didn't forget anything.
Did we stare at it long enough?
I think we did.
That's like the lesson of the year for this channel. Whenever you're not sure, just stare at it more.
Usually works. Well, let's go ahead and get the engine in.
Still looks like quite a heap of metal here.
Yeah.
Heaps. Question. Did your kids give you that shirt for Father's Day? Where'd you get that?
I believe my kids got it for me.
I figured.
Or the wife.
That's a Father's Day shirt.
Or the
That's a
wife.
Father's Day shirt for sure. I'm the one who's handling the lever of death?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
cool.
Drop it like it's hot.
It's good. You gotta check it a couple times at least.
Say when.
When? Go, 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 go.
Very slowly. You can pick up some speed. Or if we're a ways away from anything. Just say faster or slower.
We're getting closer over here. But you're good, you still got room.
Good. You're good.
Hold it. Stop. Sean, go up a little bit. Just flirt.
Alright, with you under it?
Yeah.
I don't like that.
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of OSHA violations.
Yeah. Okay.
That's only 1,000 pounds of metal.
Plus side is we never actually moved the trans in this little assembly. Everything should be lined up.
It's moving a little bit.
This is so sketch.
We need to shove this K-member that way. Sean?
Yeah.
Flirt the up button again.
Alright, clear?
Yeah.
No, that was a joke. You're literally laying on the
Yeah, I know. Good. One more time.
Yeah.
Good. Now we gotta get this to shove that way somehow. Aha! Ah.
Whoa! We're getting it!
I'm thinking 3 Ugga-Duggas.
Yeah.
Well, the nice thing is you can get to them pretty easily.
Hit it again. Just give it a burp. Up with the car!
Up with the car?
Up with the car!
Okay.
Oh, you guys!
car will lift me up.
I imagine so.
Oh.
The Texas Speed LT2 engine is officially inside of the C8. Good work, team.
I'm not paying attention, sorry. Story of Sandy's life.
Alright. Now this is where the fun part begins. I hear someone at the front door. Who could that be? Well, looky, what's up?
Hey! One
How's
of
it
my
going?
besties.
What's up, man? Do you want a pair of gloves?
Yes. Yeah, I'll do gloves. You should do gloves. You should
I started
always
wearing
do
gloves because of you.
Yes, yeah! Yeah.
What would a C8 engine install be without Crispy is for build?
Ow! Let's get it. Get it going.
Chris just bet one of us $2,000 if we can get the axle and the hub without using any tools, no pry bar, no nothing. I'm gonna try first. I'm gonna lower the lift.
Wait a minute. I meant just shoving it in the hole.
Yeah, no pry bar.
You shove that in that hole? 2,000. Easy.
I hope everything's clear.
No way that happens, kids. Oh no! Oh no! Why does it flex so much? Oh no! No! Amelia gets $2,000 to, what's your favorite charity? I know you got some good charities.
We can do the with love. We'll give it to a mental health charity.
I love mental health charities.
Okay.
$2,000.
Deal.
Didn't realize
Yeah.
the homes go this way. Son of a bitch.
We could also do a poll and let people decide what charity.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, you guys, at the very end of the video, let's get through this build. I'm gonna put 3 comments below of 3 charities, and whichever one gets the most likes is the one that we're gonna donate to.
Yes.
Oh, I just gotta figure this out.
Which way does it go?
I don't know, there's so many options.
There's a lot of ways to go. Does it really mount in that inside that center?
Yeah, do you wanna try and figure it out?
No, I'm sure you know it better than I do. In Lamborghini, they don't put anything in there except for drive lines. This is cool though. That's very similar to the Lotus.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to stare at this for a minute.
Looks good from here.
Yeah, but where?
That was my smart ass remark. I don't remember.
But you gotta figure out where it bolts to.
The way I build cars, I bolt it to where it doesn't need to not be. Totally safe. Put an under tray
Looks
under
good
it.
there.
I think it goes right about here though. Definitely not. Looks good.
Right here.
Looks good.
Oh, it's right here.
I guess how you're supposed to do it.
Nitrous line.
It's in. That's where it goes.
So in case you guys don't know Crispy is for build, you're sleeping. He is one of my favorite YouTube channels out there right now in the automotive space. And not only because he LS twin turbo swapped a Lamborghini Huracan. Once you found out and you guys were talking to each other, I'm like, I wish someone would look at me the way you two are looking at each other right now.
All the badness out of Lamborghini and just made it American.
Made it right
That was
again.
the idea, right? You have a Pantera?
We still need to see this, by the way.
You'll see it one day. It'll whoop that C8's ass. Don't worry.
Oh! We got a challenge! You better bring that to the dragster next week. What engine is in your Pantera?
It's 351 Cleveland. Kind of.
Kind of.
Loosely based on.
I have no idea what this means.
How much horsepower? Do you know? What liter
I have
is
no
that?
clue.
You've no.
I have no clue what it makes.
It's an NA.
It broke the brake on the dyno at 625 at the rear tires. We were only like 60,
So this is like fast.
500 RPM.
Is that stock?
No.
There may be something in this box. So the idea here is that we're going to run meth and nitrous in the front of the C8. All right, we got the reservoir for the meth. So there's a lot of meth we're about to be cooking up, boys. It fits on top.
Go.
So we can fill it if we get a little bracket here.
I like that.
That could be pretty sick. I am proud to announce that the C8 engine is in. Next episode, we're going to get a first start. We still have quite a bit to button up and make sure, and it's getting a little late. We want to make sure we come back with a fresh set of eyes. I thought it was going to be a lot harder installing the engine than it was taking it out, but honestly, I found taking it out to be the difficult part, but we still have another day. We're going to push Envy into the garage. We're going to call it a night, and we're going to come back tomorrow in order to do a first start.
Oh, I think your car just peed itself with this new motor.
So, uh-oh.